Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about the new Origins Original Skin Pore Perfecting Cooling Primer with Willow Herb. So I'm going to be sharing a demo of me putting it on my skin and then just talk about my thoughts on it and all the details about the product. So if you are interested in that, then keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. I post new content every single week about beauty, fashion, lifestyle. I do product reviews, all of that stuff. So definitely subscribe if you're new here, and let's get into it. So I got this and I was super excited to try it out because I just feel like it's so different than any other product that I have ever tried. I'm a huge fan of primers. I use them every single day when I get ready. So I just wanted to see what this one was all about. So I'm just gonna pull up online kind of all the details about it so that I don't miss anything. It says, a cooling, airy, moussey primer that leaves skin looking fresh and pore-perfected and softly glowing. This is the perfect glow two step between skincare and makeup. Smooth this super cooling weightless primer on skin after moisturizer and before makeup to improve the appearance of pores, smooth texture, and brighten skin. So those are the claims: smoothing, pore perfecting, and cooling. And then I really love the way that the packaging looks. I love the light pink that the original skin line comes in from Origins. I think it's super pretty. And this comes with 1.8 ounces and it's $32. So the primer that I'm really loving recently is the Dermalogica Hydro Blur primer, and that one is $47, so it's way more expensive. But it also only comes with 0.75, I believe. Let me look really quick. Yeah, it comes with 0.75 ounces. So this one comes with way more than that, which is awesome. It's more than double the amount, and it's obviously only $32. The question that I have that I don't know the answer to yet is, would you go through this faster because it is an aerosol and the product, I don't know. I just don't know if you would use more of this product. It's hard to tell because you're not squeezing it out of a tube, so you can't really tell how much of the product you're using. So I have no idea if I would go through this faster or slower than a regular consistency formula. The primer does come with a pump. Like I said, it is an aerosol, so I'll insert a clip here that shows you me pumping it onto my skin and then what the formula looks like. And then when you rub it out onto your skin, it does have a very cooling effect. It's almost bubbly. It makes your skin just feel so smooth when you're done once it's on your skin, and it's such a smooth canvas for your makeup to sit on top of. I will also insert a clip here of me applying it to my skin. I put it on today before I did my makeup. I used it today before I put my makeup on. I've been using it for about 5 days now, and I am kind of obsessed with it already. I just think that it makes my makeup go on so smoothly, and it just looks flawless when I'm done, which is amazing. Even though it's not one of like your typical like pore filling primers, it just smooths your skin like no other. I've never had a consistency like this in a primer before, and I am such a fan. The only thing that I will say is that it almost has like an alcohol scent, but it also does smell like the other products from the original skin line. It has like a hint of that scent, but it also has a little bit of an alcohol-y smell. So the smell I'm not the biggest fan of, but it does dissipate really quickly. So that's not really a big deal to me at all. And it's $32, which isn't as expensive as some of the other primers that I like. The only question mark in my head still is if I would go through this one faster than I would go through a typical primer. That's really the only question, and I don't know that I'll know the answer to that until I run out of this one, which will probably be a while. I hope it's a while because I love it and I don't want to run out of it. So yeah, I think definitely give it a try, especially if you're a fan of this line from Origins. It is amazing. And while we're talking about this line really quick, I just wanted to throw this in there as well. I just tried out the Origins Original Skin Cleansing Makeup Removing Jelly with Willow Herb, and this is amazing too. It's just a makeup removing jelly. So you just take a little bit. Number one, this doesn't smell like the other products in the line. It has no fragrance, so it won't irritate your skin. But it's just a little jelly. You put a little bit on your fingers and then massage it into your skin, and it'll just melt your makeup off, and then you rinse it off and your face is clean. So the ones that I really love that are similar to this are the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. I really like that one, and I really like the Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse. And so this is kind of like a hybrid of those because the Clinique one is more of a thick balm, and the Dermalogica one is an oil, so it's more liquidy. So this one is kind of a gel and it's in between the two, but I really, really like this. It took all of my makeup off super easily. So yeah, both of these products are more products I love from this line. The one that you guys have seen me talk about a million times before is this. This is the Original Skin Matte Moisturizer, and this is like a holy grail product for me, and it smells freaking delicious. So yeah, total win. I love this primer. It is tinted, but don't be scared of that. Like, you can see on the lid that there's a little bit of the color of it, but it does not blend out into an actual color. It'll just fade right into your skin. I hope this video was helpful for you. Leave a comment down below and let me know either one, what your favorite primer is, or if you've tried this primer out, what your thoughts are on it, or if you're going to try it out. I would love to know down below in the comments. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.